guys, today I wanted to show you how I make these velvet bow paper clips. They are super duper easy to make. Someone had saw them on my gratitude journals and requested that I make them, and I was literally like, okay, it's the easiest thing ever, so I'm just gonna do it right now. And they are just adorable to have on anything. I love the velvet, but obviously you could do this with any type of ribbon. I just like the way the velvet looks. So if you guys want to know how I do this, then just keep watching. Thank you. Bye. So I like to do it with velvet ribbon because I just do. So I take about maybe at least 12 inches, but probably a little bit more, slightly more than 12 inches, but 12 inches is probably fine. Okay, so you do all the tying of the bow before you even put it on the paper clip. So we'll do that first. So I take my bow like this and I do two little, bunny ears like that, okay? Then, so you got the bunny ears. Then I put my right hand over my left hand like that. And then you take the back part and you stick it under. Okay. And then you pull it, and right, this is the part where you just adjust it. So I like to make sure that this is flipped to just like the velvet part showing, And this is why I like the velvet bows, because I feel like they're easier to manipulate. Or sturdier, I guess. I don't really know. Okay. Okay, let's see. I just want these to be a little bit even. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. It doesn't need to be perfect, okay? It's just going on a paper clip. So then I'll go ahead and I'll trim the extra off. I like to make it a slanted cut. Okay, great. So here's our bow. Then I take the larger paper clips. They're 50 millimeters, which I think is just 2 inches. And so all you're gonna do is you're gonna take the back of the bow and you're gonna open the paper clip a little bit and just kind of like snake the paper clip through. Like that, okay? And then you're gonna slide the bow to the very top. All right. Okay, so then I like to make sure, it, for the most part, looks how I want it to look, which it does for me. I'm fine with it being like this. I make that a little smaller. Make sure it's tight. Okay, then the next step is you're going to glue it just a little bit, just so the bow, you can leave it like this and it'll stay, but I like to glue it for some extra support. So you can, either use your glue gun, which I have done, but I don't feel like waiting for my glue gun to heat up. So I'm going to use just fabric glue, and all I do is kind of stick that nozzle inside the bow to glue it to itself. Basically, I just don't want my bow to become untied. And I do it kind of on both sides. And obviously this part is hard to show because you can't see the glue going in, but okay. Okay, and then I want it to actually be even shorter, so I'm going to trim it a little bit more. Okay, so there you have your little bow paperclip. I made another one too, and they're so cute and easy. And then you can just stick them on, what do I have? I just have a little index card. So you can just stick it on and have it in your notebook or your planner or whatever. And you could put that same fabric glue on the end so it doesn't fray. But look how cute that is. It's adorable. I love it. So super easy, right? Easiest thing ever. And I like to put these on everything. Okay, if you guys found that helpful, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. It would help my channel so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.